So here we go again with the bathymetry of the Indian Ocean. You can see it again. 3 different depth regimes. You see the deep basins. You see water depth between 3 and 5,000 meters. And then you see rich systems which are shallower and the even more shallow regions. I just want to put your focus on specific features. So if you think in terms of the propagation of the spreading of bottom water, then you have to look at what's the structure of the deep basin in the Indian Ocean. And you can see that there are these deep basins, and you already know that the bottom water comes from Antarctic shelf seas, and you can already anticipate the spreading direction in this region. Okay, and as you can see, there is actually no exit, direct exit into the Pacific Ocean. So whatever spreads through the Indian Ocean stays in the region for a long time. There is no deep water or bottom water formation in the Indian Ocean itself. Okay, so this is just a recirculation within the system. And so on, the connection to the Pacific Ocean in terms of the deep and bottom water is indeed the Southern Ocean. It's a circumpolar current, and there is no direct connection. In terms of the surface water structure, okay, what we do is we look at specific areas. Yeah, there are outflows from the Red Sea and from the Persian Gulf, and I will give you a first example of what an inverse estuary is, because the outflows from these regions are hypersaline. Okay, hypersaline, the salinity, they have a high salinity. Okay, we discussed that. What we also see is signatures of waters which are formed in the Bay of Bengal, surface waters here, okay, which have a low salinity because of the surplus of fresh water. Okay? And we also look at the Mediterranean Sea of the waters, okay, north of Australia, which also creates a specific outflow of water that you can identify in the ocean interior. All right.